So I did do a little shopping on Abercrombie because I have like one pair of jeans, maybe two, that have no holes in it that I feel are appropriate to wear to work, and need to change that. So let's try on some of the jeans and see how we like them. Okay, these are not jeans. However, these are the ultra high wide leg curve love plaid pants. Also great work pants. So I'm going to try these on. All of the items that I'm showing you guys, I'll have it linked in my LTK. So you guys, if you're interested, you can go take a look on Abercrombie's website. See if they're still running their sale. I don't know, but I got these when they were on sale. But go check these out. What do we think? These are plaid. I do like these. These are the curve love. These feel really good. I like them. Let me know in the comments if you like these. These are the same as the other dress pants, but just in a chocolate brown. I do like these as well. Great work pants. Great work pant option. All right. These are the curve love boot cut. They are the boot cut, so they come all the way down, and I really like that. I do like these. These feel good as well. I don't know. What do you guys think? Let's try on the next pair. I actually forgot that I ordered this like jacket. What do you think of a jacket? Oh, tighten. I think it's supposed to be like pucker, it zips up. What do we think? Is it giving jailhouse? Disappointed because I don't really think I like this jacket. It's cute. I think maybe just not for me. So these were actually, I was really excited about these. These are the Curve Love 90 straight leg. However, my actual size, they were out of stock. So I went one size down. I'm impressed they come up, but you know, we got a little to work on right there. I'm torn if I should keep these because I'm like on a healthy lifestyle journey because they fit everywhere else. They just need to get a button right here. Like, I don't know, should I keep these and make them like gold jeans? Maybe. These are the last pair of jeans. These are mid-rise curve love boot cut, similar to the black ones, but in a dark wash and not the black wash. What do you think? Honestly, I feel like the work pants are like the top keepers. That's odd. That's crazy. What is supposed to be a jeans deal? I don't know. That's it from the Abercrombie haul. So drop your comments. Let me know what you guys think. What I should keep. What I should send back. Yeah, let me know.